Come here, can you hold this goat?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, come on. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Fletcher, what do you think?
This looks so delicious.
I'm gonna drink it all up. Now before I drink this creamy stuff, it's very delicious. You better get him off of there before Mom comes home. She's gonna kill you.
Little bitty gravel, a little bitty black thing, okay? Sometimes you think a little bitty hard black, you can't see the gravel in the wood. Okay?
You guys are gonna grab it yet? I don't know, let's look at it. What is it?
We're trying to find a gravel.
Well, make sure your dog doesn't eat it. He look hypnotized by this. I'm gonna let him eat one.
Put your hands in here and smooth, and as you see one that ain't, throw it in the pot. Here, you see? But look for gravel. I guarantee there's gravel in it.
Can we see him eat one? Yes, look. Give him a gravel. What are gravels? Wait, are we going for this?
Here's a good one.
Here's a great one. Ooh, here's good.
You better not to eat that. That'll break your teeth out. Better not eat this too. It'll break your teeth out too.
You don't throw gravels in the pot, boys. Now, don't. If you find a gravel, don't put it in the pot. That's a real gravel.
And this one, it got this half off.
Yeah, you've got a good eye for bad things. There's no question about that.
Probably all beef for nothing.
Ain't that the truth? There you go. Right up to the side.
Could put it in something. Baby goats.
Open the window.